Hey there, thank you very much for visiting my website and downloading this freebie. Before you download this freebie, you need to create a free account on my website and then follow me on Dribble and subscribe my YouTube channel. Once you do that, you can download any freebie from this website. If you're having trouble in setting up your account, please follow along this video and in just 2 minutes, you will be able to download any freebie out of 170 plus freebies on this website. So now we are here on this freebie page. Now let's try to download this freebie. I will click on get this template and I will just provide my first name and last name. So let's say it's just a sample first name and last name. And here in Dribble profile URL, you have to provide the profile URL of your Dribble account. So once you are on Dribble, click on this profile picture and copy this URL, the URL that you see in the profile. So if you don't have a Dribble account, just go ahead and create a free Dribble account. You don't have to pay anything for that. So just go ahead and create a free Dribble account. And once you do that, so finally just copy this URL. Once you click on this profile picture or whatever appears here, copy this URL and paste this URL here. That's it. So once you click on submit, your account will be created. And now what you can do is you have to complete 3 tasks basically before you download this freebie. So first one is to subscribe my YouTube channel. Click on that. It will take you to YouTube and you will have to click on the subscribe. Once you subscribe this channel, go back and click on verify now. So once I click on verify now I am a verified subscriber. Same I have to do with Dribble. I will click on this go to my Dribble profile. It will take me to my Dribble profile URL. Click on follow, come back and click on verify now. And then I will click on the Dribble team profile. I'm already following this, so if I go here and verify now, it will just verify me. So once you do the verification, it will automatically refresh in a couple of seconds, and then now if you click on get this template, it will just download the template for you. It will take you to the Dropbox page where you can download this file. So you can see it just took a couple of minutes to set up my account, and now I can download any freebie from this website. For example, if I go back and if I click on freebies, any of freebie that you can see on this website, for example this one, so click on get this template and it will take me to the Dropbox page of this template, and I can simply download this file. If you still have any issue or if you're still facing any problem, you can always reach out to me on sharky260@gmail.com. That's my email address, and I will try to resolve your issue. Thank you.